Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to delete a Discord server using the desktop app. Deleting a server permanently removes all channels, messages, and settings, so make sure you no longer need the server before proceeding. Let us get started. The first thing is to open Discord on your computer. Once Discord opens, locate the server you want to delete from the server list on the left side of the screen. Click on the server to open it. Next, click the server name at the top left corner of the Discord window. A drop-down menu will appear. From the menu, select Server Settings. In the Server Settings menu, scroll down through the options on the left-hand side. At the bottom of the menu, click Delete Server. Discord will display a confirmation window explaining that deleting a server is permanent and cannot be undone. If required, enter the server name in the confirmation field. If your account has two-factor authentication enabled, you may also be asked to enter your authentication code. After reviewing the information, click Delete Server to confirm. Discord will permanently delete the server and all of its contents. If you do not see the Delete Server option, make sure you are the owner of the server. Only the server owner can permanently delete a Discord server. And that is how to delete a Discord server on Discord Desktop. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful guides. See you in the next video.